Okay, Induka, so I will request you that please give some feedback because so that student can get to know what kind of quality education which we are giving. Even though you can give a feedback in English also plus in Telugu also, because a lot of southern people they used to think that what he will be teaching, something like that. So I will suggest you that please in your own words please give some feedback.
Okay, sir. Sir, after I joined in this course, I did not know anything, sir. I have done diploma course on aviation, but I did not learn anything, sir. Like I only learned that only grooming, sir. In this course, I have lot of things, sir. Like I don't know how to answer the question smartly. After joining this course, I have gained that knowledge, sir. How to answer the interview questions, and it helped me a lot, sir. Coming to fee, it was very affordable, sir. To any people, like middle class, any people, sir.
Okay, Induka. So, Anna, so very good. Do work hard on the thing which I have told to you. It will be easy for you to get selection because you're already having a working experience, and it will be easy for you, Induka, to get selection. But just be confident. Do make eye contact because you don't make eye contact. Next thing is do smile, your hand movements. Do stop this kind of things because if we'll be telling you here only, then you'll be improving it. And then when you go
Yes,
for the
sir.
interview, you can be easily, go through that interview. And you know that a Hyderabad base is a base where you can easily crack the interview, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
do go for the Hyderabad base. It's a very good base, and the interview is also conducted in very well mannered way. So you will get selected. Don't worry. Do perform well in the interview. Soon at Hyderabad base, the interview will be conducted. So do perform well. All the best, Induka, for the future.